Hey friends, hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. As in my previous video, I told you that there is a possible drop up to $12,000 and there were some reasons behind that. Before that, I would like to show you this chart that when in the month of March, I shared this idea on the TradingView when the price action of Cardano completed the bullish butterfly pattern, and after taking the bullish divergence as per the Fibonacci sequence of this potential reversal zone as I defined. It moved up, produced more than 400% rally, and moved down back to this 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg to use it as a support. Now, same is like that, the Bitcoin also formed. This was not the butterfly pattern, but this was the gauntlet pattern. And now I'm playing this chart. I posted this chart in the month of April when I predicted that the price action can turn bullish from here. And you can see that the price action turned very strong bullish. So far, it has produced more than 130% rally. And I was expecting that it will be moved down, same as like the Cardano did, to use the previous 0.786 resistance level as a support, and after that it will continue the rally. So far you can see that the price action is crossing up this level. We have this candlestick that has spiked even beyond this level. Therefore, I'm still expecting that the price action can move back like the Cardano did here, because normally it happens whenever the price action forms any harmonic moves and crosses up this level, that is the 0.786 Fibonacci projection of A to D leg of Gartley, then it moves back to retest the previous resistance as a support. And with this move, the price action of BTC is also moving in this up channel. And you can see that there is a very nice up and down move to the support of the channel and up to the resistance. At this time, we had the resistance at almost $14,000, and the Bitcoin was just hitting at the resistance at my when I published my previous video and this article as well. Now I'm playing this chart. The price action has even spiked beyond this $14,000 resistance level. Even this resistance level has almost broken out, because in the previous candlestick we have the closing above the $14,000. And I told you in my previous video that we should take a look at this resistance with the combination of different indicators, like I was using the combination of MACD, stochastic, and the RSI indicator. I told you that if the price action will be at the resistance and these indicators will be turned bearish on the weekly chart, then the price action may move down to the support of the resistance at that channel that is at $12,000. Now, if we take a look at the live chart, then the price action is still above all the moving averages, the simple moving averages with the time period of 25, 50, 100, and 200. And even on the weekly chart, the price line is moving above all these moving averages. And in my previous so many videos, I have been telling you that whenever the smallest time period moving average moves above all, then we have the bigger one, then bigger one, and the biggest time period moving average below all. So that is an open alligator mouth, and that can turn the price action very, very strong bullish. And from there, when the price action hit at the 200 simple moving average in the month of March, when I posted my discarded move chart, I told you that after that, the price action of Bitcoin on the long term weekly chart or monthly chart, it can turn parabolic bullish, and it has turned parabolic bullish. Now, if we take a look on the different indicators, as I told you in the previous video, that we should take care of the price action if it will be at the resistance of the channel, and with that, all these indicators will be started turning bearish, and they will give us the sell signals. Then we should consider that this is our exit point, and at this time the price action can move down to hit the support of the channel. But so far you can see we did not receive these signals. These signals are turning more and more bullish. The stochastic is still bullish, even though the RSI and stochastic are in overbought zone. but they're still bullish. And the MACD is even not weak bullish as well, like it was turned here, and it is strong bullish. Now I want to show you this up channel that is formed on the long-term weekly chart. And I've also placed the volume indicator here, and we can see that the volume is getting decreased. At the starting of the channel, we had a very powerful buying volume, even though here we also had powerful buying volume. We didn't have such powerful buying volume here like we had here previously when the price action hit first time at the resistance of this channel. But however, this volume is with the continuity. If it will be continue, then the price action even can turn more bullish. But if as we have seen that we have the closing above this resistance, now if the price action will move down, and there are chances that it will be moved down to retest this previous resistance of the channel, that is almost at $14,000 or $14,500. So there are more chances that the price action will retest this resistance as a support, previous resistance as a support, and from here it will start the next rally. It will not use this previous 0.786 Fibonacci retracement level as a support. But in case if this retest will be unsuccessful and the price action will be re-entered in the channel, then there are chances that it will hit the previous support of the channel. But at this time, I'm expecting it will retest the $14,000, $14,500 level as a support, as a previous support. And if we place the volume profile on the complete price action moving within this channel from this level up to the, sorry, this is not the volume profile. This is the fixed range I have selected to place on the complete price action. And from down to the upside, we can see that we have a very low interest of the traders so far developed above this level. That is critical. That is critical. I'm just placing this horizontal line here. So we didn't have the traders, very low interest of the traders we have above this level. So we need a trader's interest to develop above this level. Then there will be more chances that this rally will be continued. Otherwise, it can move back inside the channel again. And if I place this horizontal line here, to the downside, we have the trader's interest between this level, from this level up to this level, and even we have the point of control of the volume profile at this level. However, this support is very, very strong, because at the same support, if I'll copy this 50 simple moving average from here, and I'm pasting it here on this chart, then we can easily see that we have the 50 simple moving average moving up to provide the support to the price action on the weekly chart. And if we change it to 25, then already we have the 25 simple moving average almost at the support. So we have the support of the channel and this 25 simple moving average. Below this we have the 50 and other moving averages as well. And at this time we also have this resistance of the channel working as a support right now. So we need to keep an eye on this support, and if it will be broken down, then on this support. However, if these indicators will be remain bullish, these indicators on the weekly long-term chart, then the price action can continue this bullish rally and even can break the next resistance level. Now, I've added one more indicator with the combination of all these indicators, and that is the fear and greed indicator. That is also available on the TradingView. By the way, if you don't have an account on the TradingView, I've shared my link in the video's description. You can find there to create your account there. Now, you can see that the price action, this RSI is overbought, the stochastic is overbought, MACD is very strong bullish, and I use this indicator with the combination of all these indicators when the price action turns very extreme bullish or bearish to determine where we can have the correction. For example, in the past, we can see, like here, we had the stochastic in the overbought zone, and the MACD turned bullish, it's a turn bearish, and the stochastic also gave us the bearish signal, and the RSI was close to the overbought zone, and from there it turned bearish, and the price action turned very strong bearish at that time and gave us the sell signal. And we also had the greed indicator at that time appeared. Now let's move back to the month of June in 2019, when we have several greed indicators. But when the RSI went in overbought zone and the stochastic also went in overbought zone, with the combination of MACD, it was very strong bullish. And finally, we received from the overbought zone stochastic bear cross, and with the combination of this, the MACD also gave us the bearish signals. It was turning weak bullish from strong bullish, and the RSI also started turning bearish from bullish. And we also already had the greed indicator, and the price action turned very strong bearish at that time as well. So this is the first indicator we have appeared here. If we will have with the combination of greed indicator, all these indicators will start turning bearish, then we can expect there will be a correction up to the support of the channel or the resistance of the channel that is already working as a support at the previous support now. So I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like, and if you didn't subscribe to the channel so far, then subscribe it as soon as possible for more updates on the different trading assets. Take care. Goodbye.